Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to the Coverdale Mine. Me and Aaron are going to show you what I picked up at the Greensburgh train show. I went to the train show this morning. I was on the hunt for a Navy switcher. I find one. Thought the guy wanted too much. He wanted $210. He said he'd come down to $175. I tried haggling with him. I don't know. I think that's too much. It had the windows. It was dirty. It had the windows. I should have got a picture of it. I didn't. So I'm still on the hunt for that, but I picked up some other stuff. Oh, and he had the box with it too. It was dirty. He said it runs good, and it had the original box that was in pretty good shape. But I picked up some track, some nice long track for displaying or extending. Who knows? I like this. I like these nice long. I got six of them for 20 bucks. So that's under $5 a piece. I thought that was a good deal. Excellent for displaying track and good old Lionel track. What do you got? Oh, see, Aaron's talking about Lassie over there. And what else did I get? Check this deal out. Today was deal shopping. And I did miss a whole, I talked to one guy, he said they had the whole Navy switcher set, the whole set with the submarine, the helicopter, everything for $160. He sold the whole set. And that one old guy, he wanted $210 for just the engine. But anyhow, I got more of these to go with my old school coal. Very cool. And the screaming deal. You like that, Aaron? You hit a button and it goes dumps. Very cool. This is old. Yeah, they're cool. It's cool and it hauls coal. $5 a piece. $10. Bunch of track. And I picked up for repairing engines and such. You want nice, soft, flexible wire. And I picked up a roll of nice, soft, flexible wire for repairing stuff. So that's all I got today. I wanted to come home with a switcher. The Navy switcher. I seen a bunch of Army I seen about 4 Army switchers, but I want the Navy switcher, so I'm still on the hunt for that. So stick around. I took a couple pictures. I didn't do a whole big train show video, but I got a couple shots from the train show. Stick around and we'll run that. Thanks for watching us. Boom. Aaron, what do we do now? That's right, the like. Hit the like and check out the few shots from the train show. And we'll see you on the next adventure at the Coverdale Mine. Here's an old railroad building I passed along the way. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next adventure. Bye now.